Let me ask you something uncomfortable. When you reach 60 years old, who will pay for your life? Your children, your pension, your savings, or nothing at all? Because here's the truth most Filipinos avoid: retirement is coming whether you prepare for it or not. The only question is, will you retire with dignity or dependence? In the Philippines, many parents don't retire, they just stop working. And when income stops, expenses don't. Hindi tumitigil yung expenses. Electricity, food, medicine, hospital bills, it keeps on coming. Di ba? So what happens? Yung mga anak becomes the retirement plan. And now, the next generation struggles to build wealth because they're supporting the previous one, yung mga parents nila. So it has become a cycle. Narinig nyo na ba yung sandwich generation? Ganun yung nangyayari. And if we don't break it, we become part of it. It's sad. Let me be direct. If you don't prepare for retirement, someone else will pay for it. And that someone is usually your family. Let's talk about numbers. If you want 50,000 pesos per month in retirement, times 12, that's 600,000 per year. If you live 20 years after retiring, that's 12 million pesos. Yes, 12 million yun. And that's not even considering inflation. Magmamahal pa yung bilihin by that time. Now, ask yourself honestly, do you have a plan to build that? Or are you just hoping everything will work out? Hope is not a strategy. Pakinggan yun, i-repeat natin yun. Hope is not a strategy. But here's the good news. Retirement is not about age. It's about preparation. You don't need to be rich today, but you need to be intentional today. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. The longer you delay, the more expensive it gets. Time is either your biggest advantage or your biggest enemy. Kung bata ka pa, it's your advantage. May time ka pa. So this year, I'm starting a retirement series to help Filipinos prepare the right way. We will talk about how much you really need. Magko-compute tayo. Why saving isn't enough. How investing changes the game. Anong mga investment dapat natin gawin? How to protect your retirement from illness and emergencies. Kasi important din yun. A lot of times we forget. If you want to retire with freedom, not fear, please consider following me. Because retirement is not about stopping work. It's about having the freedom to choose. And that freedom, you build it now. So go ahead, subscribe, follow for my next videos. And I hope may maitulong po ako sa iyo na makapag-prepare for retirement.